In this video, we're going to expand a single bracket where there's a variable on the front. So let's look at these questions. We want to expand this expression here, x times x plus 3, and 3y times 4 minus 2y. Let's start with the first question. Just copy it out. Remember that we do the term on the front of the bracket multiplied by each term inside the bracket. So we're going to do the x times the x and the x times the 3, like that. Now, how do we do x times the x? Well, suppose I wrote, for example, 3 squared. What does that mean? That means 3 times 3, right? So similarly, if I had x times x, I could write that as x squared, like this. So when we do the x times the x, we get x squared. And when we do the x times by the 3, we write 3x. Remember, the number comes before the variable, so we say 3x rather than x3. And that is the final answer for the first expression. What about the second one? We want to do 3y multiplied by 4 minus 2y. Again, we're going to do the term on front of the bracket multiplied by each term inside the bracket. So we're going to do the 3y times by the 4 and the 3y times by the minus 2y. So what's 3y times 4 first? Well, the 3 times 4 is 12. And when you times by the y as well, we're going to get 12 lots of y. So it's going to be 12y. And now we've got to do the 3y times negative 2y. Let's multiply the numbers together first. We've got the 3 multiplied by the negative 2. Positive times negative is negative. And 3 times 2 is 6, so it's going to be minus 6. And then we've also got the y here multiplied by the y here. And y times y is going to be y squared, similar to before. So we get that, and that is the final answer.